Today, I'll show you how to factory reset your Redmi Watch 5. Now this should apply for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So to do this, you need to go into the settings, and the easiest way to go into settings is by swiping from the bottom of the screen like that and selecting the settings icon. So once you're inside the settings, scroll through the menu until you get to the system option. Tap on system, and then under system, scroll all the way down until you see the reset option. So tap on reset, and your watch is going to warn you that this will erase all the data. So if you're sure this is what you want to do, then you need to go ahead by tapping on the blue check mark. If not, tap on the X icon to cancel this. So I'm going to go ahead with the process. Tap on the blue check mark. I'll feel a slight vibration. The Redmi logo should appear. Another vibration you should hear. And this will take you back to the original setup screen. Like that. So that's how to factory reset, or basically perform a hard reset on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Take care and God bless.